Hey everybody, Cyrus Bonet here with Veterans Agents, going over the market update and discussing the spike in pending sales and interest rates coming down. Interest rates have came down their lowest point last week in over 5 months. Pending sales have been spiking all throughout January, which is great indicators. We're heading towards a little bit better market than anticipated these last few months. As the last 6 months, we've seen days on market spike greatly, list to sales ratio going to 95%, something we haven't seen since 2015. And a couple other variables that you'll see in my market data report below. Feel free to read through it. If you have any questions on it, reach out to us, email, text. I can do Zoom calls to kind of go in more detail about your particular property or your particular buying situation. We're monitoring markets to see how we can better help our buyers, how we can help our sellers, and go from there. The biggest driven fears of the market, why we've seen the housing market switch these last 6 months, is interest rates have gone up to make it unaffordable, where housing is already unaffordable, and then fears of recession. We're starting to see a little easement on those fears of recession, but it's a pendulum right now. And then interest rates have been coming down month over month for the last 5 months, so that's great news. They are anticipated to go down further by the fourth quarter of 2023, so that's amazing news there. I fully anticipate that we're going to be in more of a balanced market for the spring. The bidding wars won't be so intense, but the right properties, if you're priced correctly, you are going to get bidding wars. There's still plenty of buyers out there looking to buy, and it's just the traditional season, January through May, that we see a lot of buyers at the market where we don't have enough sellers in the market. More sellers at the market around summertime, and that's when we see our peak inventory is in August, September timeframes. If you want to strategize the best time to buy and sell, and everyone's situation is different, sometimes it's not always best to buy in summer or sell in spring. We can definitely strategize with you. But overall, I anticipate that the intense sellers market bidding wars will return someday. We're still short 4 million houses nationally for rentals and homeowners, and builders haven't been keeping up with demand with labor and the cost of building. So whether that happened this year, it's probably not likely. It'll probably be next year or the following years when everything starts to die down, interest rates come down, recession starts to recede. But I do fully anticipate that market to return at some point. As of right now, I'm buying as many houses as I can because we're at the bottom of the market, and that's what we can anticipate. So if you're a buyer on the fence, I would get going. If you're a seller, you still have plenty of equities to cash in on and move toward that retirement home. If you have any questions, reach out. Thanks.